Hello guys, in this lesson I'm going to discuss about how to convert any video file into the audio. Make sure that video file has a audio also, otherwise in the file will not listen anything. So if we press O here and it will if we press O here, it will mark the input and output portion. We don't need to press I because it will start from 0. So we'll export this portion which we have defined. After that we'll go to the export option and then go to media and we'll choose a format called MP3. After that we choose the bit rate. We choose high quality bit rate like 192 kbps and don't need to change these default settings. Publish. We need to change the name and save it into the desktop. Audios. And we'll select the default high. If we choose here import the project, after exporting this file it will automatically import it into the project file, but we don't need it. Metadata. What is the metadata? Metadata is that the file information. If you claims that is your original file, you can write the owner name, rights use terms and others. So we don't need to change this thing because we do not create this audio file or video file. We are just converting the video file into the audio and we'll click export. After this it has been exported, we go to here. So we can see that we have successfully converted our video file into an audio file. So that's it for this lesson. We'll meet up with new topics in the next lecture. Thank you.